Hi, this is David Chen. Today we're learning how to put Apple Time Machine on the Synology NAS system from beginning to end, which is install a brand new blank hard drive all the way to enable your Apple computer time machine to find the Synology NAS system and enable it so you can start your backup routine. First of all, I'm gonna put brand new hard drive. It will show up as DSM6. As you can see, I say not initialized because the brand new system is 4 terabyte Western Digital Red. And I will show you how I only gonna use 2 terabyte on this system. But first of all, I need initialize the system and create a volume on this particular system. As you can see, I'm doing it right now. And once it's normalized through the create a volume, we can create a share folder just for Mac backup. So going through this particular volume creation wizard, I'm using the brand new file system BTRFS, even though that's only for multiple hard drive. But for this particular demonstration, I'm gonna use just on one hard drive. And if you don't have a hard drive just to do the Mac backup, you can just use on your original volume. You're just gonna skip this the volume creation section. Just install the share folder on your volume 1 or whatever volume you want to put down. As you can see, I'm creating a share folder with the name Mac backup. You can name any name you want or any description you want. As long your location is the correct location, it will be fine. In this case, I putting down on volume 2 the brand new hard drive I just normalized, and I double check, make sure the enable advanced data integrity protection is on. And since this folder will be just for backup time machine, I only allowed administrator and Mac backup user, which I created for this demonstration, to be able to read and write, and the other users don't have access. And just looking through, make sure all the check marks okay. Then I say okay. Now the share folder for Mac backup is complete. I go to user. The reason I go to user is because I want to make sure there's everything is correct. So as I looking through, there's no major changes. Only thing it changes is the user Mac backup can only allow to use the folder quota of a certain amount, because Mac use the backup as a incremental. The time machine is an incremental backup, so I want to limit the folder or the user maximum quota size. Otherwise, depend on how you work, how the user process the computer. If there's no limit, there possibility of time machine will use entire volume. So in this case, I will put down the maximum size. Then we go to control panel, file service, to point the time machine location. In this particular section, the first tab, the Mac file service, I choose Mac backup, the folder, as the location. So when the Apple get on the system, they will look for the Mac backup folder to backup to. Then once you finish that, you can just go to the time machine, open the preference, select disk, and as you can see, the Mac backup folder just show up immediately. Then say use it for backup location, it will show up. Enter username and password for the user, so it will sense it's correct, so you can use as in the future. So I type wrong. So let me type in again, which is connected. As you can see, I got a data section on time capsule because I do have a time capsule on first one. The second one is Mac backup DS1815, and I turn the time machine off and on again, just in case it didn't trigger initially because it happened once in a while. So everything's done, and right now the time machine is go through the backing up process for first time. So just keep the machine on. It will store everything if you set up your time machine correctly on your Apple computer. Thank you.